Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find your messages on Fiverr. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and then at the bottom of the screen you can see that second option, which is mail. Click on that, and then you can see your inbox messages. I do not have messages yet, and here you can start a conversation with freelancers and get the job done. And you can, if you have a lot of messages, if you click on that option at the top right corner, then you can filter your inbox messages. You have several options like all, unread, starred, archived, spam, and custom offers. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.